Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Redmi 15, and in today's video I will show you on how to back up your data into Xiaomi Cloud. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and head over to your phone settings. After you open up your phone settings, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then go to About Phone. On getting to About Phone, go ahead and scroll down right here and make sure you go to Backup and Restore. So getting to Backup and Restore, you have Xiaomi Cloud right here. So go ahead and click on Xiaomi Cloud. It takes you right here. So once you get here, make sure you turn on this particular button. Having turned on this particular button, go ahead and click on Backup. And this is going to pump up. Click on Allow. Once you click on Allow, it takes you right here. Go ahead and turn on this particular button. Once you turn on this button, come down below right here and click on Backup now. With that, all your Android data will be back up to Xiaomi Cloud without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.